Hey guys, welcome to Free Tech channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace a new 1 TB Seagate hard disk. Guys, this is a new Seagate 1 TB hard disk. It is in green color. Purple color is also available in market, which is used for surveillance cameras. For using in desktop, compulsory we need to purchase a green color hard disk, which is specially designed for desktop usage. And before opening this, I want to show you a warranty issue. So this cover is completely fully packed, but in the bottom you can see there is a blue color sticker. So whereas it's a warranty, whenever we purchase from a store, they'll mention a date there. And before purchasing, compulsory we need to check that warranty details. And you can see front and back completely is a sealed pack. Now I am going to open this one. Let's see how to fix this one. And after opening this one, before inserting this new hard disk, first of all we need to open the CPU and we need to remove the old hard disk, and then we need to replace this new hard disk. Guys, in this video don't forget to watch till the end. I am going to show you how to replace a new hard disk in our CPU. So this is a brand new green Seagate hard disk. Before fixing in the CPU, just take a look about this hard disk. It's a Barracuda 1 TB hard disk, which is in green color from Seagate. So why I am mentioning green color again and again is, so green color is meant for desktop usage only, and you can see it's a clear 3.5 inches desktop hard disk, whereas in laptop we'll have a hard disk which is having only 2.5 inches. So this desktop hard disk is a 3.5 inches SATA hard disk. So previously in olden days we used to have IDE hard disk, whereas we'll have pins, but this is the latest new hard disk. Let's see how to place this hard disk in our CPU. To replace this hard disk, we need to open the side cover of the CPU. There are two screws. Just open those two screws and remove the side cover. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share in the right side button. So after removing the screws, gently push the side cover to the back side and lift it. Here you can clearly see there is a hard disk which is already placed inside, which is in not working condition. Before replacing the new hard disk, first we need to remove this internal hard disk. Open those two side screws. Just remove those two side screws and unplug the cable. So two cables will be there, one power cable and one SATA cable. Just unplug those two cables, and after removing the screws, you can remove the existing internal desktop hard disk. See, this is already Western Digital internal not working hard disk. There is a problem with the hard disk. If you connect this hard disk, system is not working. Now we are going to replace with a new Seagate hard disk. So this is 3.5 inches. Guys, we can replace any hard disk. There is no requirement to replace with the same WD hard disk. We can also replace with Seagate hard disk, Toshiba, anything, whichever is available, but Seagate is number one. So Seagate will be the best hard disk. So we are going to replace with the Seagate hard disk. Place it exactly and replace those two screws. After fixing those two screws, just plug those cables. One is SATA cable, this black one is SATA cable. In some CPUs this will be in red color also. So right now in my CPU here it is showing a black color. So this is a power cable. So now we need to connect these two cables. So the SATA power cable and that SATA cable. Connect them as it is and close the door. Guys, hope you like this video and please subscribe to our channel for more such related videos and keep watching our videos. Thank you.
Subscribe our channel and click on the bell